Engine 3's on the scene. We have fire showing from the 3rd floor, the 3-story garden-style apartment. Fire showing from the Alpha Bravo corner. Will be first engine, forward lane or reverse lane into the hydrant in front of building 450. Going to the top floor of this one over here. Engine 360, 3 stories in the rear, sitting on a slab, smoke showing from top floor in the attic space. We'll be advancing engine 3/4 line to the 3rd floor via the outside stairs.
It's long thing right now.
Try and keep that hose on your arm and take as much as possible with you. Kind of Minuteman it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's see if we can make it to the 3rd floor with enough. Hang on. Hang on. Go. Up and in the well.
Huh?
Go up, keep the hose in the well.
Engine 3 nozzle ready for water coming in 2.5.
Good. Charge it. Don't get it too tight in there. That'll charge tight.
Water coming.
Blank it out. Mask up. Engine 3 Battalion, 3rd floor, heavy smoke conditions, fire in apartment 301. Back.
Engine 3 driving, 1 driver blade, supply line.
Go ahead, last one. Go ahead, open it up. Engine 3 Battalion, water on the fire.